Good morning to everyone. This is the power of healing with Utabi Ungowekethelo. Um, this morning ngizoba short. I didn't want to go live because I experienced a problem with sound yesterday. So I do wanna apologize for that for people who joined the live stream yesterday. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. The sound was really bad. Should you have any question about live izolo, you know where to get me. You can ask those questions. But anyway, today I want to speak about something that esingayinaki as abantu besifazane or ekungakhulunywa ngayo kakhulu. And I think it will help with so many relationships. It will help with so many relationships. Guys, it's good to have a good communication, or it's good to have good communication in a relationship. Why am I saying this? Abantu besilisa abaningi abakhulumi, guys. Abantu besilisa abaningi abakhulumi, whether gifted or not. Abakhulumi, and sometimes kunezinto ezenzakalayo in a relationship that we need to speak about. A lot of people have been accused of cheating. A lot of women have been accused of cheating because umuntu ozwana naye ubona indoda. Khona indoda ayibonayo mayileli nawe or akuthinta kune energy ayifilayo, but he won't say. So I think I might have shared this some time ago on my videos. I can't really remember, but I want to share this again. Kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu wesilisa ayibone indoda, alibone lekhehla uhamba nayo, ayibone this masculine energy, or I feel this masculine energy ohamba nayo, ayibone le ndoda ohamba nayo. Kuyenzeka. That is why sihlambulula amakhehla, guys. That is why sihlambulula ithunywa. Kuyenzeka bayibone. I remember I was dating a guy some few years ago. I was dating this guy who was spiritually gifted, began a gift of prophecy. And one day he said to me, "You are so Tabile when you are a king." Luckily, I understood what he meant. But for omunye umuntu you ongazi about spirituality wouldn't know. He said to me, "You are a king, Muswin." Because, and then I said to him, "So you can sense them." Bayazibonakalisa kuwe. And he said, "Yes." And I said, "That's a good thing." Do you understand? So omunye umuntu uthola ukuthi ulala nomuntu wesifazane kanti angasho ukuthi hayi man kuna this energy engiyibonayo, because sometimes you would even smell a man. You would literally smell a man embedeni or kuma pillows, or you would literally smell that, and you won't say uthi umntana abantu uyachita, kanti that's not true. A lot of people ama relationships wabo, they are not breaking up because khona into ayenzile, but akatshelwanga ukuthi khona i-energy ohamba nayo engixakayo engithusayo. It is wise guys, when you get into a relationship ukuthi ubatshele labantu ohamba nabo ukuthi ngiku-relationship. It is very wise, because abanye abantu bavele baghostwa, ba-avoidwa, bablockwa without knowing ukuthi yini inkinga, kanti inkinga yilama energies are surrounding you. You understand? Bakhona abantu abanedlozi eli very strong, elithi mangabe mhlambe umuntu bangamthandi bavele bayiveze bona, bayazi ukuthi uzohamba lo muntu lena. So we don't talk about those energies that we carry as women. We don't talk about the energies that men carry as carry with them. Zabantu besifazane. Umnukelwe umuntu wesifazane, umnukelwe umcingela endlini, kanti it's not that. Ilabantu ahamba nabo. So a lot of relationships are ruined by that. Kuze accusane of cheating, and it's not really true. We need to address those issues where it is not a spiritual partner. It is not a spiritual partner. It is not ukuthi uhandiswa nesilwane. Ile bantu bathwele, ile energy yalabantu bathwele. Sometimes uthola ukuthi they are trying to protect you. Sometimes uthola ukuthi abahlanjululiwe. Kukhona into abayikhalelayo kuwe. So a lot of healers don't mention this ukuthi kukhona ukuthi umuntu ayizwe into nayo. Kukhona, especially if you're going to meet somebody who's spiritually gifted. If you're going to meet somebody he's going to feel them. He feels them, he sees them. Sometimes it's not about ukuthi khona into wrong oyenzile. Bayazibonakalisa for your protection. Sometimes they need ukuhlanjululwa. So it's very important that when you get into a relationship, I'm not saying because there's this thing that people do, guys. Nina nicela abantu nihamba niye kumathonga niyocela abantu, nijike futhi niye kumathonga niyopayisa, nijike futhi nicelele lo muntu. So basically nina you confuse your guides. Phahla when and if it's necessary. Nini uyabhayisa, nini so uyamthanda futhi umuntu. The spiritual realm does not play like that. So kunezinto efanele ukuthi uyoyibika, kunezinto ezilight ekungafanelanga uyoyibika until they become serious. Until they become a concern, then can uyoyibika. Nina yonke into. Yonke namhlanje uzothi ngicela nimshayeni uyangidina uyangihlupha nini next week sengiyamthanda futhi ngicela nimpheni nilungise into zakhe So I just wanted to mention this ukuthi kunama relationships aphelayo, guys, ngoba kutshelwana ukuthi hayi man yazi kunesimo esinje ngisifilayo manginawe umuntu avele ahamba angakutshelanga. You don't know how problematic your guides are sometimes to other people, how disturbing or distracting they are to other people. And omunye umuntu angazasho athi hayi lo uhamba nezilwane lo khona amadoda ahamba nawo kwashonelwa. No, not necessarily. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. Kukhona ukuthi communication is best in a relationship because bayakwazi ukuziveza abantu abadala. Bayayiveza labantu ohamba nabo. So you will be regarded as a cheater. Kade awucheater wenzi lutho mntana sekhaya, the energies. So today I just wanted to mention that, guys, and mention ukuthi mbuze umuntu because guys angazi ukuthi you don't ani ngathini and monitor ma situations when manisothandweni, because when a person feels your ancestors ahleli nawo, do you know what they do? They have this expression in their face, a very confused expression in their face, or a very concerned expression in their face. So angazi noma niyayibuka lokho. Do you know your person's reactions to things? Do you uyamazi kangakanani? Because so it's very wise that as umuntu ukuthi okay mina ngumuntu wabantu abadala or mina, and with some women it's a pity because some women don't even know ukuthi bahamba namakhehla. Liyayiveza lekhehla bese athi umuntu hallo, uyabona, bese nigcine nithi abantu mhlambe bayathakatha or kanjani kanti lama energies walabantu ahamba nabo. Ngiyabona yilama energies walabantu ahamba nabo. Communicate, guys. Khulumani uzozulahla umuntu who's good for you just because awu-understand umhlaba wakhe just because of the uncertainties of umhlaba wakho ukuthi awu-understand. And sometimes naye akawu-understand umhlaba wakhe, by the way. Sometimes naye akawu-understand umhlaba wakhe, and yet wena seniyahlukana just because of spiritual energies. It is not, everything is not as it looks, guys. Not everything is in black and white the way you would think. Stop generalizing ama-situations ukuthi once nje ngabona isimo esinje emuntwini wesifazane, that means une-spiritual husband or what. Just because I can sense a feminine energy, une spiritual wife. No, not everything is the black and white. Stop generalizing izinto. Asifundisaneni iqiniso nezinto ezi-right. Not everything is as it looks. Situations are not the same, gifts are not the same. Our guides and guardians are not the same. So I just wanted to mention that, especially to abantu besifazane abanamakhosi, ukuthi there are instances like that where baba too strong. And in that instance, you need a partner who's very strong, who's going to communicate with ngicela clarity la kwenzakalani. Thank you so much. I hope I have helped you to understand why sometimes you've been ghosted, blocked, ungasakhulunyiswa because umuntu khona into ayisensile that he did not communicate with you.